Hello, welcome everyone to SSB Crack Exams. Myself Drishti Goyal, and today we are going to discuss 15 questions that only SSB recommended candidates will face in their next SSBs. अभी बहुत लोगों को लगता होगा recommendation के बाद दोबारा SSB जाने की क्या ज़रूरत है. So my friend, recommendation is not it, right? There is merit list, there is medical. So many people gets medical out, many people gets merit out, especially the women candidates, right? So there are people who even after recommendation appear for the next SSBs, and today I am going to discuss some of the very much inevitable questions which you are going to face in your upcoming SSB. Okay, so first I'll talk about SSB interview. So during the SSB interview, candidates are generally asked a wide range of questions that aim to assess their personality traits, cognitive abilities, social skills, and overall suitability for the job. Right? There are many questions which are short questions like your career related questions, your family related questions, your timetable, your money management. So these questions are definitely going to come, but there are some questions except from this will be asked to you if you are a previously recommended candidate. So here in this particular session, I am going to discuss 15 such questions which if you are a recommended candidate is going to face. So first one here is your why didn't you join the academy last time? Okay, so आपने academy क्यों नहीं join की थी? क्या reason था? Maybe you got medical out or merit out, or except from these two, there can be some other personal issues or reasons as well. So you have to tell them. What were the reasons for being medically unfit? So आपकी medical conditions के बारे में वो आपसे पूछेंगे. He might even ask कि आप फिर से क्यों आए हो? आप दोबारा medical out हो गए तो. What was the reason behind not making it in the merit list? What do you think? अब आपके रिटर्न्स में स्कोर कम थे या आपके एसएसबी में कम थे, डायरेक्ट एंट्री में जा रहे हो तो डेफिनेटली कौन से सेक्शन में आप और बेटर परफॉर्म कर सकते थे. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड. व्हाई डिडंट यू जॉइन द अकेडमी व्हेन यू वर फिट and in the merit list? For candidates who didn't join the academy even after being in the merit list, देखो I am telling you the two most important or two major reasons of not joining the academy is being medical out or is being merit out. But there are a certain cases, rare cases where people got merit in and then also they didn't join the academy. So if you are somebody like that, then this question is for you. Now next question B, you got recommended for Indian Air Force, Army or Navy, but why are you applying now for Indian like it is like when you got recommended for Air Force and now you're appearing for the SSB of Army or maybe Navy या फिर vice versa. ठीक है, तो if you are recommended for some service and now you are applying for some different service in the defense forces itself, then he can ask you the reason behind that. Then what if you are declared medically fit again for those who were previously medically fit? तो अगर वो इशू ना रिजोल्व हुआ और अगर दोबारा से आपका मेडिकल फिट आ गया तो आप क्या करोगे? So generally people who know that they are going to be medically fit do appear for the SSBs again. So you can tell that the issue was this and now you have recovered, or maybe you have taken the therapy or whatever. What if you don't make it in the merit list again and it is for those who have been merit out? I know people who have rigorously or have got merit out 4 times, 5 times consecutively. Okay, so you should know where you need to work, and if you got merit out, then what? Are you going to appear for the next attempt or improving your return score or your SSB performance, or you are going to switch the careers? Next is, how did you improve this time? What changes have you made in your SSB preparation to get in the merit list? अभी आपने कैसे प्रिपरेशन को चेंज किया है कि आपको लग रहा है कि दिस टाइम यू विल गेट मेरिट इन. So definitely you need to improve your written score and you have to prepare much better than your previous SSB as well, right? How did you make physical your medically fit? Okay, how did you make yourself medically fit? अभी आपने बोला मैं medical out था previously और आप बोल रहे हो अभी की बार मैं fit हूँ, तो कैसे आपने fit किया खुद को? क्या आपने चीजें करी कि आपका medical जो issue था वो resolve हो जाए? Then what if you don't get recommend this time? अगर आप अब की बार recommend नहीं हुए तो see people generally have this overconfidence that if I have got recommended once, I can definitely get recommended in the next attempt or in all the attempts. But this is not the case, my friend. People do get screen out also, people do get conference out also after getting recommended. So make sure you are not leaving your preparation and with full preparation going and getting recommended. Being a recommended candidate, what do you think is who do you think is performing well in your group and why? So आपसे पूछ सकते हैं आपके ग्रुप के बारे में या फिर आपके प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंसेस के बारे में. जनरली क्या होता है, योर इंटरव्यू इज इन द सेकंड और थर्ड डे. सो उससे पहले कुछ टास्क हो चुके होते हैं, स्पेशली योर साइक टेस्ट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डन. ठीक है, तो आपसे पूछ सकते हैं कि साइक टेस्ट कैसा गया या फिर जीटीओ का बाई चांस हो गया आपके ग्रुप में. सो ही कैन आस्क आपको क्या लग रहा है आपके ग्रुप में सबसे अच्छा कौन परफॉर्म कर रहा है अब तक और कौन आपको लगता है कि रिकमेंड हो जाना चाहिए. टेल मी द चेस्ट नंबर अलॉन्ग विद द रीजंस. Okay, then what was your reaction after knowing that you are medically out or merit out? ठीक है, आपने कैसे react किया? How did you take it? Okay, do you think you will be recommended this time? क्या आपको लग रहा है आप दोबारा recommend हो सकते हैं? And yes, तो आपको ऐसे नहीं बोलना कि हाँ सर मैं पिछली बार recommend हुआ था तो मैं आपकी बार तो हो ही जाऊंगा बोल के. No, tell him the reasons ना, how you have prepared. टॉक अबाउट द प्रिपरेशन पार्ट कि आपने अब की बार कैसे और ज्यादा अच्छी प्रिपरेशन की है कि आपको पहले से भी ज्यादा स्कोर के साथ रिकमेंड किया जाए. कंपेयर योर एसएसबी परफॉर्मेंस दिस टाइम वर्सेस लास्ट टाइम. तो आपको बोल सकते हैं कि पहले वाले एसएसबी में और अब वाले एसएसबी में क्या सिमिलैरिटीज है और क्या डिफरेंसेस है और आपने अभी तक जो परफॉर्मेंस दी है उसमें क्या चेंजेस आपको लग रहे हैं. देन दिस टाइम व्हाट डिफरेंट यू डिड टू मेक श्योर यू गॉट मेरिट इन. ठीक है, तो मेरिटेड होने के लिए आपने क्या चीजें डिफरेंट करी है. अब मान लो जो डायरेक्ट एंट्री के लिए जा रहे हैं तो रिटर्न का कोई सवाल ही नहीं है, तो एसएसबी की प्रिपरेशन ही आपको इस तरीके से करनी पड़ेगी कि आपको हाई स्कोर के साथ रिकमेंड किया जाए. ठीक है, तो ऐसी चीजों के लिए आपको तैयार रहना है इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस के लिए. So I hope now you are clear, and if you're recommended before, I hope you get recommended this time as well. All the best. But still if you want to practice and prepare, you can definitely enroll for our SSB online course where we are providing you with entire detail of the 5-day process along with the practice modules and the live classes and the one-on-one interaction with your mentors. You can also apply for written examinations, be it your NDA, CDA, AFCAT and any other examination, and you can apply the code Warrior10 for extra 10% discount. Rest all the very best, guys. Prepare well, get recommended, be the officer, serve the nation. Bye bye, take care and जय हिंद.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.